Hi, it's Pania. Today I'm showing you how to make a crochet bookmark attachment. I am making it in the shape of a leaf with a little bead at the top and then just connecting or attaching it to a bookmark. These bookmarks are made of cardstock and a couple of designs that I actually printed off from online, and then just cutting it to 2 by 6 inches with a hole punch. So today we'll be using this one really pretty flower design. It is I would rather be reading, and at the back is just flowers as well, and this bookmark you can actually color in. I'm using Lion Brand Yarn's True Brew in the color Seafoam. This is a light weighted yarn in the category 3. I'm using a 3.75mm hook. You also need a scissor, a yarn needle, and a tiny little bead, or actually a bead with a hole large enough to put a yarn through. To begin, we'll start with the slip knot. Insert your yarn through the hole and chain up 5. So here you have 5 chain, and then bring your bookmarker and we'll flip the bookmarker to the right side up. Then flip your chain to the back. You want the back of the chain to be facing up so that you'll be working on the right side. Grab the loose end and insert into the hole from the front of the bookmark. And then you'll create a slip stitch into the last chain. From here, you'll make 24 chains. And we'll slip stitch into the second chain from the hook. Then make 1 single crochet in the next 2 chains. That's 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet. Then we'll half double crochet the next 2 stitches. That is 1 half double crochet and then 2 half double crochet. And then the next chain we'll make 1 double crochet, and then we'll double crochet in the next 4 stitches. So here's the 5th double crochet, and in the next chain we'll make 2 double crochet. So that's double crochet 1, and then the second double crochet in the same chain. We'll make a double crochet in the next chain, and then make a half double crochet in the next chain. And at the end here, we'll make a single crochet in the next chain. And then into the same chain we just made a single crochet, we'll make a slip stitch into that chain. Turn our work this way now. So we were working on the top loops of the chain, and now when that we turn the work over, above here is the other side of the chain. So this is the top and this is the bottom. We're gonna leave this alone. We're going to work into the back loop of the chain. So if you turn your work just a little bit here, you could find that there's these little bumps at the back. So this is the one we just made a slip stitch in, and right behind it there's a little bump, and that's the one we're gonna go into to create a slip stitch. And into the same chain we will make a single crochet. In the next chain, half double crochet. We'll make 1 double crochet in the next chain. Make 2 double crochet in the next chain. So that's double crochet 1 in the same chain, another double crochet, and then we'll make double crochet in the next 5 chains. And here is the 5th double crochet, and then make half double crochet in the next 2 chains. So that is half double crochet 1, and half double crochet 2, a single crochet in the next chain, and then 1 more single crochet in the next chain. And then you'll turn your work around, and this is the back of the leaf now. We'll make slip stitch in the next 2 stitches, and make a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 1 half double crochet, 2, 3, double crochet in the next stitch, 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. We'll make 1 double crochet in the next stitch, a half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Make sure that your bookmark is turned on the back side of the bookmark so that you're working on the back of the leaf here. So if you turn over your work just a little bit here, you can see a couple of these V stitches we were making from the front side of the leaf. So it'll be this top 2 loops that you're going to go into to make a slip stitch. So 1, and then we have 1 more slip stitch, which is the next 2 top loops, 2, and then we're going to make more slip stitches on the other side of the leaf. We'll bring the bookmark over the yarn so that the working yarn is under. If you turn your work over a little bit, you'll find the V stitches, and this is the 2 loops you'll be working to, because that's the one that's right next. Because if you flip over this bookmark, you can see that this is the 2 loops we were just working in, and we're gonna go into that one there, the next one. So it'll be inserted into these 2, but we have to have the bookmark attachment over. So slip stitch into those 2 loops, and we have 1 more slip stitch to make, so that's a total of 4 slip stitches. From here we'll make a single crochet in the same stitch that we just made a slip stitch, a half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, so that's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and make half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 2 and 3 half double crochet, And from here we'll make single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So now we got those 3 single crochet, and that is the second round. So from here we'll turn our work and we are going to work in our last round. So we'll make a slip stitch in the first stitch, single crochet in the next 5 stitches, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and from here we'll make slip stitches across. So if you turn your work again, we'll see these V's that we were working on, and those were the slip stitches we made on the other round, the second round. So this is the one we're going to make a slip stitch into first, so that 1 slip stitch, that'll be your second slip stitch. And then we have 1 more on this side, 3rd slip stitch. And then you want to bring your yarn under the bookmark or the bookmark over. And from on over here, we have another one. So that was the one we were just working, and we have a couple more slip stitches. So the next one we're going to end is these 2 loops. So we'll make a slip stitch here. That'll be our 4th slip stitch. 5th slip stitch. 6, and we have 1 more slip stitch to make, so that we have a total of 7 slip stitch. And in the next stitch we will make 2 single crochets, crochet in the next stitch, and from here we'll do 2 single crochet in the next stitch and 1 single crochet 3 times. So you'll have a total of 4 sets of 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet 4 times. From here we'll make single crochet all the way to the top. So you will have about 8 single crochet once you reach the tip of the leaf. In this space where the slip stitches are, don't go into the slip stitch, you want to go just below it where the single crochet were made from the row below. And now we're here at the top. There are 2 more stitches to go to. You want to keep the line in the front of the leaf to be showing, so you want to work at the back of the chain. So if you find the loop right here that's kind of erased at the behind the chain, you can make a single crochet in that stitch and 1 more here at the tip of the leaf. Chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch. You'll turn your work a little bit, and this chain here is a chain that we just worked into, so we'll skip that one. We're going to go into the next stitch, single crochet all the way to the end, so there's 4 single crochet left. Here, slip stitch into the top of the first stitch that was made at the beginning of this row. Here, yarn over and snip off your yarn and pull the yarn through all the way. Use your yarn needle and secure the loose end into the back of the leaf. We'll work the yarn up towards the top of the tip of the leaf and secure at the top of the leaf here, so that when you insert the bead will stay in without tugging the whole leaf. So take the yarn needle off and pinch the tip of the edge and insert the bead into the yarn. Insert the yarn back into the yarn needle to secure the bead back into the leaf. So I want to go back into as close as I can to where the leaf at the tip of the leaf is, and create a knot at the tip here as well to secure that bead. And because I want the bead to be really secured and not come off, I will sew in the loose end again just a little bit one more time here, and then create a little knot here. And snip off the loose end. You can also secure the other loose ends where you started the chain. This is pretty secure right now, but I would just want to make one more knot to keep it in really, really well. And here you have your leaf with a little bead. And for final touch, you can steam block the leaf to make the leaf a little bit flatter, just like this other one here and this other one. And I'll have my leaf steam block and I'll show you what it looks like when it's completed. So here's the one I just steam blocked, so it looks really nice and flat, and the leaf will stay in its shape. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks.